everybody! Surprise of surprises! I made a Zine. We have this perennial question. Why art? What's the significance of art? I thought I'll make a little Zine that's colorful, attractive, and which also answers this question. It's small and compact enough to just fit into your pocket or your journal. And yes, you can refer to it often for a shot of inspiration. So, why art? Calms mind, spreads hope, gives joy, sheds new light, tears tyranny, sends love. Just make your art. I wanted to point out a few little special aspects of this Zine. So if you can see this, it's got a bit of glitter, it's got these beautiful stamp-like stickers all around it, which are of famous artworks. And also the backgrounds are also artworks. So this is by Picasso and this is also by Picasso. So the significance of this particular page is that sheds new light, and here is an image of a Picasso painting which I've taken, cut it in exactly half and pasted in the reverse over here, and you can see that both these images bring out a different feeling. It gives a completely new light to the painting. So that's exactly what I wanted to show, and I thought it might be a good idea for you to have a copy of this too. I've uploaded a copy of this little Zine for you to keep and use as you deem fit. You can print it out, keep it in your journal, keep it in your pocket, share with your friends, and just do whatever you please with it. So, how do you go about doing that? That's exactly what I want to show you in this video. The link to download this is below, and you can refer to that. Once you take a color printout of the file which you've downloaded, it's going to look something like this. It might not seem to be making any meaning right now, but I'll tell you how to turn this from this sheet of paper into this little Zine. For this, you're going to need I use this wooden ladle, but anything, just some flat surface. It's called as scoring the paper, and you're going to need a small scissors. So another point to note is that this is in A4 size. So when you print it out, please set the printer settings to A4. Have a look at it, to make sure that there's no uneven borders or such. But in case you have something like that, you can just, cut it out to make it to even it out a bit. Then what you do is you just fold this on the longer side into half. Okay, so try to align your folding to these. Can you see this dotted line over here? Yeah, just try and align your folding to that. So that gives you a nice crisp cut later on. Once you do this, take your scorer, whatever you're using. You can use a scale or you can use a wooden ladle like me, whatever suits you, and press it down like this. And then open it out, turn it to the other side and press it down again. So everything that you're going to score in this, you're going to do it twice. Now, fold it in the center part. And once again, score it down. Again, you're going to fold it and score it. Now, you've got the four ways in which this is scored and is able to bend. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take half of this and yes, use your scorer once again to score it. And again, you're going to do it on this other side. Then, you're going to repeat the process this half too. Yes. And do it once again this side. Perfect. Now that the whole paper is being scored and it bends easily and it's able to fold and everything, now what you're going to do is, can you see these dotted lines? We need to cut along these dotted lines, and the easy way to do this is to fold it like this. Fold it in the shorter side in the center. Use your scissors. So I have my scissors over here and just cut along this portion. So you're not cutting it all the way through, you're only cutting till you reach that bend over here. Okay, so this half is not cut. It's only this half which you're cutting. Once you do that, you have your Zine ready. What you're going to do now is fold along the cutted portion like this and pull out your center portion this way so that you get this little diamond shape in between. Press your diamond shape like this so that you get this beautiful four-sided shape, and then search for the first page. So here's the first page. Fold it over here in the first page, in the cover page. You might need to just slightly, press out the pages once so that everything is just smooth, and make sure you come to the last cover page too. And yes, once you've scored it all out, you have your own copy of my Zine. Yes, you have so this is the original one which I had made, and here's your little copy that you can keep with you. So here it is. I hope you enjoy the Zine, and I hope to keep making many more Zines for you. Let me know if you have any ideas on the next Zines that you'd like to see. Feel free to use it in your journal, in your purse, or gift it to your friends, and do whatever you deem fit with it. This is Archana signing off for Read, Write, Inspire. Bye-bye.